Weather plays a significant role in our daily lives and can vary greatly depending on location, season, and climate. While some regions experience stable weather for most of the year, others face frequent changes and extreme conditions. Understanding how weather works helps us prepare for its effects and make informed decisions. When the sun shines without many clouds in the sky, we describe the weather as sunny. Sunny conditions often bring warm or hot temperatures, especially during the summer months. In some cases, long periods of high temperatures can lead to heat waves, which may cause health problems such as dehydration or heat exhaustion. For this reason, people are advised to stay hydrated and avoid direct sunlight during the hottest part of the day. On the other hand, when the sky is covered with clouds, the weather is said to be cloudy or overcast. Clouds form when warm air rises, cools, and condenses into tiny water droplets. If these droplets become heavy enough, they fall to the ground as precipitation, such as rain, snow, or hail. Rain is essential for agriculture and water supplies, although heavy rainfall can sometimes result in flooding. In colder climates or during winter, precipitation often falls as snow. Snow forms when temperatures are at or below freezing. Although snowfall can create beautiful scenery, it may also disrupt transportation and daily activities. When melted snow refreezes, it forms ice, which can make roads and sidewalks dangerous. Similarly, frost forms on cold mornings when water vapor freezes on surfaces, such as grass and windows. Wind is another key element of weather. It is caused by differences in the air pressure in the atmosphere. While a gentle breeze can be refreshing, strong winds may damage buildings and trees. Severe weather events, such as storms, combine strong winds with heavy rain, thunder, and lightning. In more extreme cases, powerful systems like hurricanes develop over warm ocean waters and can cause widespread destruction when they reach land. Overland, rapidly rotating columns of air known as tornadoes can form under certain atmospheric conditions. Visibility can also be affected by fog, which occurs when a cloud forms close to the ground. Fog can reduce visibility significantly and create hazardous driving conditions. To stay informed, people rely on the weather forecast, which is based on satellite images, weather stations, and computer models. In many parts of the world, the year is divided into 4 seasons, each with distinct weather patterns. However, scientists have observed that climate change is affecting global weather systems. As a result, some regions are experiencing more frequent extreme weather events, including droughts, intense storms, and unusually high or low temperatures. Overall, Weather not only influences our daily choices, such as what we wear or how we travel, but also has a broader impact on agriculture, the economy, and the environment. For this reason, studying weather and climate remains an important scientific field.